Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Here is my friend Gomang.
Hello.
Today we are going to do Rubik's Cube solving challenge. First you'll be starting it, then I'll be doing it. So you watch till the end. Now I'll scramble this. Okay, let's see how many minutes it takes to finish this solving it. So let's start. Come on. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Almost done. Wow, it's done. Woo. Now it's my turn. Scramble. Okay, see how I do it. Come on, man. Ooh. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, please subscribe and do videos here. See you in the next video. Bye.